When you compress your eating into a single window, a method often called OMAD, or 1 meal a day, you're not starving yourself. You're activating a system most modern humans rarely use. Imagine a warehouse where delivery trucks never stop arriving. Boxes stack up. The manager is yelling at everyone. The aisles get blocked. The staff is overwhelmed. Repairs never get done because new shipments keep pouring in. Now imagine that as your body. That warehouse is your body when you're constantly eating. Now imagine locking the doors. No more deliveries. For the first time, the cleaning crew can finally get to work. Today, we're breaking down exactly what happens inside your body during a 23-hour fast. Hour by hour, so you understand the physiology, not just the hype. Let's start the clock. Hours 0 to 4. The timer begins the moment you finish your last bite. For the first few hours, you're in the fed state. Your body is digesting. Carbohydrates become glucose. Proteins become amino acids. Insulin rises to move that energy into your cells. Think of insulin as a storage signal. While it's elevated, your body is in storage mode. Fat burning is essentially paused. Your system is focused on using or storing what just came in. If there's extra glucose, and for most people there is, it gets stored as glycogen in your liver and muscles. Glycogen is like a wallet. Easy cash. Accessible but limited. Nothing dramatic yet, just normal digestion. Hours 4 to 12. This is where things start to shift. Blood sugar stabilizes, insulin begins to fall. Around hour 6 or 8, hunger kicks in. That's ghrelin rising. You might feel stomach growling, maybe irritability. Many people interpret this as an emergency. It's not. It's simply your body noticing that incoming fuel has stopped. Your liver now opens up that glycogen wallet and begins releasing stored glucose to keep your blood sugar steady. You're not breaking down muscle, you're using stored energy exactly as designed. Hour 12. Now glycogen stores are getting low. Insulin drops further. This is the turning point. With insulin reduced, your body gains access to stored fat. An enzyme called hormone-sensitive lipase activates and begins unlocking fat cells. Fatty acids are released into the bloodstream. For the first time in days or weeks, your body begins to draw energy efficiently from your adipose tissue. You're no longer running on your last meal. You're running on stored energy. Hours 14 to 16. Something interesting happens here. Hunger often fades because you've switched fuel sources. When you rely on food, energy rises and falls. When you rely on body fat, energy becomes steady. Your liver begins converting fatty acids into ketones. Your brain can't burn fat directly, but it can use ketones. And many people notice sharper focus and more stable energy at this stage. From an evolutionary perspective, this makes sense. If humans became sluggish without food, we wouldn't have survived. Hunger was designed to sharpen you, not weaken you. Hours 16 to 18. Now we reach one of the most talked about processes, autophagy. Autophagy means self-eating. It's your cell's internal recycling system. With no new nutrients coming in, your body begins cleaning house. Damaged proteins are broken down, dysfunctional mitochondria are recycled, cellular debris is cleared out and repurposed. This is deep maintenance. It's the biological equivalent of taking out the trash and repairing broken machinery. When you eat constantly, this process rarely gets a chance to ramp up. Fasting creates the conditions for it to occur more efficiently. Hours 20 to 22. A common concern is muscle loss, but during extended fasting, growth hormone levels rise significantly. Growth hormone helps preserve lean muscle tissue while your body relies on fat for energy. The hormonal environment now is low insulin and elevated growth hormone. That combination supports fat burning while protecting muscle. Your body is not careless. It prioritizes survival. It uses stored fat before sacrificing lean tissue. Hour 23. You're approaching your eating window. Insulin sensitivity is high. Your digestive system has rested. Your body is primed to absorb nutrients efficiently. You are fueled by fat. Your brain is running on ketones. Cellular cleanup has been underway. You are not depleted. You are adapted. Now it's time to eat. And this part matters. Because your body is highly receptive, what you eat will have a strong impact. Breaking a long fast with highly processed sugar can lead to a sharp insulin spike and energy crash. Instead, think of this meal as rebuilding material. Start with protein: eggs, fish, steak, chicken. Give your body the amino acids it needs. Add healthy fats to support stable energy. Include vegetables for fiber, minerals, and micronutrients. One meal means you need nutrient density, not just calories. Now, let's be realistic. If you jump from eating all day to fasting 23 hours overnight, it may feel rough at first. Your body needs time to become metabolically flexible. It needs to get efficient at burning fat and producing ketones. During the adjustment phase, hydration and electrolytes matter. As insulin drops, your body releases water and sodium. Replacing electrolytes can prevent headaches and fatigue. Ease into it. Gradually extend your fasting window, and fasting is not for everyone. If you are pregnant, nursing, have a history of eating disorders, or take medication for blood sugar or blood pressure, consult a healthcare professional first. Hunger is not an emergency. It's a signal. OMAD is not about punishment. It's about structured timing. It's about allowing your body to switch fuel sources, regulate hormones, and initiate repair. We live in a world of constant food access, but your biology was built for cycles. Feast, fast, recover. You're not starving, you're adapting. If you've tried extended fasting, comment below. Did you hit the wall at hour 12 or feel the clarity at hour 16? I'll see you in the next video.